It's an amazing day to be here in downtown Springdale as we officially open the doors to Market Center of the Ozarks.
We love the ability to take what's done in research in the labs that our faculty are doing and really bring it into the community, solving their problems. And I think this building, the MCO, really does a great opportunity of serving as a hub where that knowledge and that creativity from our faculty can go directly into local agriculture and local food enterprise.
From cold storage and processing lines to commercial kitchens and co-working space, every square foot of this facility has been designed for one purpose: to help local food thrive.
It is a hub of innovation and community support, and look forward to seeing how our community is going to support this, buy into it, and benefit from it. And when I talk about our community, you know, I'm a homer, and so I'm talking mostly about Springdale, but I'm talking about Northwest Arkansas. This is a facility for the region and to help support the food industry in our region.
I was not expecting this. This is phenomenal. It makes me so happy, and just being able to walk around before the event started and just the enthusiasm and the excitement and just everyone coming together. And that's really what it took to make this happen, was everybody working together, a broad group of stakeholders, recognizing the need and recognizing the importance and coming together to make it a reality. And super excited and grateful for what y'all are doing in Northwest Arkansas, and just an exciting time and a lot of opportunities ahead.
This is a great location and is a convenient place to be bringing people in the region together to share their love of food. I'm confident this is something other regions of the country will look to us as an example of how the community can support farmers while encouraging chefs and food entrepreneurs to explore new ways to serve customers.
It is incredible to see the community support that have come out, not just from Springdale, but Fayetteville, Rogers, Bentonville, and just the amount of support from the community, from makers, from funders, and from government, really seeing that what the MCO will really be able to do and its impact on the community will have.